Imagine applying to jobs day in and day out, tailoring resumes and submitting endless applications only to get ghosted by the companies and end up with no good offers. Feels like you are stuck, right? The process of job search can become a full-time job in itself, requiring hours of overwhelming effort just to find the right opportunities. We are here to help you save at least 40% of your time and effort and double your chances of landing that dream role with the use of top AI tools. Imagine leveraging cutting-edge AI tools that get your application noticed and give you an edge over the competition. Hi there, I'm Jyoti Pandey, and here we are with another video to simplify your career transition. Today, we are diving into 10 incredible AI tools that will transform your job search in 2025. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know how to use these tools and stand out, optimize your application, and land interviews. A quick note. None of these companies have sponsored this video. We are sharing these tools because we hope this video will help you accelerate your job search process. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe below for more actionable insight to supercharge your career. Let's get started. Tool 1. Pivot. Not sure what your next career move should be? Pivot got you covered. Pivot serves as a comprehensive job search and career transition platform aimed at helping individuals recognize and pursue roles that reflect their unique skills and long-term career goals. It connects users with experienced industry mentors who provide tailored advice and support to successfully navigate their career transition. The platform also utilizes AI to create individualized career transition plans, helping users identify and pursue roles that align with their skills and aspirations. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to achieve an ambitious goal, you would want to check out Pivot. Not just career clarity. Pivot is soon coming up with more AI-powered features that will help you ace your networking game, improve your resume and LinkedIn profile, and crack those complex interviews. Tool 2. Skill Syncer. Did you know most resumes get rejected by bots before a human even sees them? Skill Syncer is your secret weapon against applicant tracking system, in short, ATS software. According to a recent report, almost 99% of Fortune 500 companies use ATS on a regular basis. This means that if your resume is not ATS friendly, it may not even reach the recruiter's eye. But tools like Skill Syncer can help you resolve that. With this tool, you can understand if your resume matches the role requirements and the preferences of the recruiter and make necessary changes accordingly. The first step is to upload your resume and the stated job description, and once you proceed, it will give you highlights as to where you need improvements. This tool will analyze the job descriptions to identify key skills, experiences, and keywords that are specifically required for this role and help you optimize your resume accordingly. In short, Skill Syncer will work as a secret weapon to optimize your resume to make it ATS friendly and will help you get more interviews with ease. Tool 3. Teal. Are you applying for multiple roles at a single time? Meet your new job hunt manager, Teal. Teal gives your applications, deadlines, and contacts in one place. It even suggests next steps like sending follow-up emails. Teal provides tools to help you organize and monitor your job applications. You can save job listings from various sources, track the status of each application, and set reminders for follow-ups. The platform also offers features to store and manage multiple versions of your resume and cover letters, allowing you to tailor your application materials for different positions easily. So if you are looking for a way to simplify your job search and land more job offers faster, Teal will help you do exactly that. Tool 4. LinkedIn AI features. LinkedIn is not just a job board. There are several AI features that LinkedIn offers to help job seekers in fast job search and get more interviews. From optimizing your profile to providing personalized job recommendation, this tool makes sure recruiters find you. You need to optimize your LinkedIn to make it easy to find for the recruiters. but it is going to take a lot of time if you start doing this manually. With LinkedIn's AI features, with just one click, you can update your LinkedIn profile headline, about section, and even your work experience. The AI feature also ensures that you are using relevant keywords and writing tone for your profile, which also makes your SEO game strong for your profile. LinkedIn's AI tools can help you craft resumes, cover letters, and applications, and even create original posts. They also offer personalized writing suggestions, advanced search features, and AI-driven career coaching to support your job search. Networking is a crucial part in job hunting process. You can use LinkedIn AI to draft connection requests and follow-up messages. This can simplify your networking process and helps you build meaningful connections with potential employers and recruiters. Tool 5. AI Apply. How would you feel if you could apply for jobs that are exactly the right fit for you? Too good to be true. Check out AI Apply. AI Apply not only matches your roles but also helps you customize your application for each job automatically. The best use of the platform is to use this tool for auto apply. This AI-driven job search tool can automatically apply to relevant job positions on your behalf, saving you time and effort in the application process. Begin by signing up on the AI Apply platform. Specify your career goals, preferred job roles, industries, and location. Provide your resume and other necessary documents. AI Apply's algorithm will scan various job boards and company websites to identify positions that align with your specified preferences and qualification. The system customizes your resume and cover letter to match each job's requirements, enhancing compatibility with applicant tracking systems. With your approval, AI Apply will submit applications on your behalf to the selected job postings, managing the process from start to finish. So if you want to automate your job search process end-to-end, AI Apply would be the perfect tool for you. Tool 6. Final Round AI. We all tend to get nervous about online interviews. What if I cannot answer the questions? What if I give the wrong answers? So many fear unlocks. But you know what? If you prepare beforehand, you will be able to ace your interviews. Final Round AI's AI-driven interview co-pilot will help you practice in advance through online mock interviews and get you ready for your actual job interview. During the preparation of your online mock interviews, the interview co-pilot offers real-time transcription and personalized prompts to help you articulate your responses effectively. Engage in mock interviews with AI-generated questions to build confidence and improve your performance. The AI mock interviews will stimulate real interview scenarios with AI to practice responses to specific questions and receive feedback on your answers, including suggestions for improvement and insights into your communication style. So for your next job interview, you don't need to be scared or nervous anymore. Use AI to practice beforehand and ace your interview with grace. Tool 7. Job Analytics. Want to know why your applications is being ignored? Job Analytics has the answers. Job Analytics gives insights into which role you are most likely to land based on your profile. All you need to do is to download and install Job Analytics from the Chrome Web Store. Upload your current resume into the extension and start seeing the results. If you have this extension installed while browsing job listing on LinkedIn, if you select a position that interests you, you will see the Analyze Job Description button provided by the extension. Just click on that and Job Analytics will scan the job description in detail and identify essential keywords and skills that match your resume so that you can decide whether or not to apply for this role. The tool also highlights important keywords that aren't present in your job description but missing from your resume. You can enhance your resume by incorporating the suggested keywords into your resume to improve its relevance and chances of passing through the ATS. If used correctly, Job Analytics can take your job hunting game to the next level. Tool 8. CareerFlow.ai. If you are looking for an all-in-one career support AI tool, CareerFlow.ai is another option for you. From optimizing your LinkedIn profile to tracking your applications and building your resume, CareerFlow.ai can do it all. It would help you to evaluate your existing LinkedIn profile to identify areas of improvement. Based on the analysis, the platform will give you personalized suggestions to enhance various sections of your profile. With the AI mock interview feature, you can also prepare for job interviews effectively. Their mock interview features allows you to experience realistic scenarios similar to those you may face in actual interviews. And most importantly, CareerFlow.ai helps you to access a curated list of companies currently hiring, tailored based on your preferences and qualifications. Tool 9. ChatGPT. Imagine having an assistant who can write cover letters, tailor resumes, and even prep you for interviews on demand. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's your personal career coach. Need a custom resume that matches your job description? ChatGPT can help you with that. Are you preparing for a behavioral interview? Ask ChatGPT for example questions and answers tailored to your role and get ultimate list of resources to prep you for the job interview. Do check out this most important feature, that is Explore GPTs. ChatGPT has a specialized version or ChatGPTs for unique tasks. ChatGPT's Explore GPTs feature offers specialized AI tools tailored to assist you in various aspects of job search. Here's how you can leverage this feature. Navigate to the Explore GPT section within GPT. Enter keywords related to your job search needs, such as resume writer, job match, or interview preparation. Browse through the available GPTs and choose the one that aligns with your requirement. For instance, Resume Writer can assist you in enhancing your resume by tailoring it to specific job roles and industries, ensuring clarity and impact. Job Match helps you identify job opportunities that align with your skills and preferences, streamlining the job search with tailored matches. Interview Preparation provides you with solid guidance on common interview questions and effective responses, boosting your confidence for upcoming interviews. By utilizing these specialized GPTs, you can receive target assistance throughout your job search journey, from crafting compelling resumes to finding suitable job opportunities and preparing for interviews. Also, we have uploaded a detailed video on step-by-step ChatGPT prompts which will help you optimize your resume, cover letter and LinkedIn profile. The video also includes best ChatGPT plugins to supercharge your application and boost success. Don't forget to check the description below for the video link. Tool 10. Grammarly. Have you ever questioned the professionalism of your writing? If so, Grammarly can help. You cannot afford grammatical mistakes on your resumes, cover letters, and job applications. A typo in your application can become a reason for your rejection. So make sure you always use tools like Grammarly to do a thorough proofreading of your application. But wait, there is more. Grammarly's AI-powered features are super helpful for job seekers. By using Grammarly, you can ensure your writing is polished, professional and appropriately toned for effective communication throughout your job application process. For instance, when crafting resumes, Grammarly helps eliminate typos and awkward paraphrasing, resulting in polished documents that effectively showcase your qualifications. In cover letters, it suggests improvements of clarity and engagement, enhancing your message to potential employers. By refining your writing at each stage, Grammarly enhances the effectiveness of your job search communications. And there you have it, 10 AI tools to completely transform your job search. Which one are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. We have added all the tools mentioned in the description below. These AI tools are revolutionizing job searches in 2025. Start leveraging them today to save time, stand out, and land your dream job. Found this video helpful? Hit a like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite AI tool. And share this video with someone who's job hunting. It might be just change their career. See you again next week with another video. Bye.